Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I do my cornrows. For this cornrow I'll be needing my white tooth comb, I'll be needing my leave-in conditioner as well as my pink oil. So I will start by combing my hair thoroughly, and after I will start to apply the pink oil, the leave-in conditioner, all over my head. Make sure this gets into my hair. Then I'll start by combing my hair, the part I want to part for the cornrows. I go by sectioning my hair. In this video I'm using a mirror to look at the front but not the back. Then I'll comb my hair thoroughly again. So I start by sectioning my hair. I'm going to I'm applying the oil to my scalp because I suffer from scalp dryness. So I'm sectioning my hair into 3 equal parts. So I'm doing this because as the first time doing it, if you're doing cornrows for the first time, you need a template. So what I'm just basically doing is just to intertwine or interlock the hair to each other, and I'm repeating that process all through the hair. So if you place your hands the way I placed mine and do what I'm doing with my hands, just interlocking it and putting it all together only in that direction, you will get the same results that I am getting. So this is the back of the hair. I've reached the back of the hair. So you see I'm doing the same thing. I'm just repeating the same process. I'm just intertwining the hair left to right and right to left, up to down. So you could see that that is exactly what I'm doing. So I'll be sectioning my hair again, just like so. I'm using the mirror to make a guideline. I mean, the lines are not perfect because I'm not looking at it from the back, only the front, but you get the job done. Yeah, there you go. So I'm repeating the same process. I'm sectioning my hair into 3 for easy access for the first time. So I'm taking the first one, interlocking it to the last one, then taking the middle one, interlocking it to the right one. So you exchange the hair and you go from up to down. As easy as that. Easy peasy, isn't it? Now I'm at the middle part, as usual, oiling my scalp with my olive oil. Now I'm just sectioning the hair. I did not section the hair into 3 parts. Only section the part of the hair I'll be working with, and I assume that since when I've been telling you what to do up till now, you should be able to just do it even without sectioning it into 3 parts. So I'm going slowly here to show you the front view. You could see how my hands are just intertwining and interlocking. I'm doing exactly the same thing, you understand, just going from up to down. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. After your condo life, you know I'm just that type. And by the way, if you want a video of how I make my oil, the kind of oil I use for my LD hair and my LD scalp, you can comment down below. Thank you.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals.
At this point, if you know this video was helpful in any way to you, please kindly like this video, share to your friends, and comment what kind of video you would like me to do next. You know, subscribe and join the family, and let this community keeps growing. Thank you for 10 subscribers. I know it sounds small, but it means a lot to me. Please keep it coming, and I'll really appreciate. Thank you.
When I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too.
Now I'm almost done with the cornrows. I'm doing the second to the last of the hair. I'm combing my hair thoroughly, and I'm sectioning half of the hair for easy manipulation. You could see I'm just manipulating the hairstyle, my hands for the hairstyle. I'm just manipulating my hand, doing the same thing, just intertwining and interlocking my hands to achieve the cornrow effect. It's nothing hard, it's something very simple. I learned how to do cornrows when I was 9 years old on my head, and since then I've always been happy that I could do something like this for myself. So tell me the experience you have with cornrows. When did you start cornrowing or cornrowing your hair? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what's your experience. Do you see it as a big work for you to do, or do you rather tell somebody or give someone your hair, or you sit down for somebody else to plait your hair? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you know how to cornrow your hair by yourself? Trust me, if you want to do it, it's so easy. Though your arms may be hurting a bit, but it's nothing compared to the results, you know. Though my lines are not straight because I wasn't using a back mirror, but overall this is the process.